Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and electronics. Today, we're diving into the HP Pavilion x360 2-in-1 business laptop. Let's see what makes this device stand out from the crowd. The HP Pavilion x360 is not your average laptop. With its 2-in-1 design, you can switch between 4 different modes to suit your needs. Whether you're working on a project, watching a movie, or taking notes in tablet mode, this laptop has you covered. Under the hood, this machine packs a punch. Powered by an Intel Deca Core i5-1235U processor, with a base clock speed of 1.6 GHz and turbo boost up to 4.4 GHz. This laptop delivers smooth performance for all your tasks. And with a whopping 32 GB of DDR4 RAM and a lightning-fast 1TB NVMe PCIe M.2 SSD, you'll never have to worry about running out of memory or storage space again. The Pavilion x360 features a stunning 14-inch Full HD touchscreen display with edge-to-edge glass and a narrow bezel design. Whether you're editing photos, watching videos, or browsing the web, you'll be blown away by the crisp visuals and vibrant colors. And with integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics, you can even connect to an external monitor for an immersive viewing experience. Connectivity is key, and the Pavilion x360 has you covered. With 2 USB Type-A ports, a USB Type-C port, HDMI 2.1, and a headphone-microphone combo jack, you can easily connect all your favorite peripherals and accessories. Plus, with built-in Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, you'll enjoy blazing fast wireless connectivity wherever you go. But wait, there's more. The Pavilion x360 also boasts a fingerprint reader for secure authentication, an East Active stylus for precise input, and a webcam for video calls and conferences. And with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, you'll have access to all the latest features and security updates. Plus, with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty and an optional 3-year warranty for upgraded memory and SSD, you can rest easy knowing your investment is protected. In conclusion, the HP Pavilion x360 2-in-1 business laptop is a versatile powerhouse that's perfect for work, play, and everything in between. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and innovative features, it's sure to take your productivity to the next level. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more reviews and insights here on Product Critique. Until then, happy computing!